Hello again, welcome back to Aegis Armors. My apologies for the voiceover video, we just didn't have a time to do our typical walk around, but we definitely wanted to show off this 2022 Polaris Slingshot R. The aggressive styling and bold paint always draws a crowd with these things. They come standard with over 200 horsepower, weighing at only 1,650 pounds, 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds, definitely a lot of fun. Even pull over a G on the skid pad. To slow all that go, the R models come with 4-piston Brembo brakes as well up front. Put the power down, they come with a massive 305/30 on a 20x11 custom wheel in the rear. As this was a brand new model, we spent most of our prep time getting the paint up to the highest gloss level we could. The aggressive styling and small angular shapes require most of the polishing to be done with a 3-inch pad, so it takes a little extra time. We removed the wheels so that we could coat the Brembo calipers with Aegis Armors heavy-duty ceramic wheel and brake coating, as well as coating the entire wheel inside and out for easy cleaning after those long rides on the mountain twisties. All the painted surfaces on the exterior and interior were coated with Aegis Armors 5-year plus heavy-duty ceramic coating. There's a lot of exposed black plastic on the lower section and the interior of these slingshots, and we didn't want to leave that unprotected. So we coated all those areas with Cerakote Ceramic Plastic and Trim coating, which holds up to 200 washes. So if you have a slingshot and you want to make it cleaning a breeze, give us a call at 336-570-9790 to learn more about the benefits of Aegis Armors ceramic coatings and get a free, no obligation quote. Have a great day. Okay, what we talk about with every video on every vehicle is how to wash them and maintain them. Every couple of weeks, you'll take a pressure washer, you'll rinse the vehicle off. You use our Aegis Armor Foam Fury or Spectrum, which is ceramic-based soap. You'll apply these with a foam cannon, let it sit for about a minute, rinse it off, and then take a leaf blower and dry the vehicle. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a physical 2-bucket hand wash of the vehicle using grit guards, of course, in your buckets. After that is when you'll use our Aegis Armor Renew product. And this product is designed to basically maintenance and boost the ceramic on the vehicle. It's the only thing you'll need to use on the vehicle after it has the ceramic coating put on it. It can be used on the glass, the wheels, or the paint. We've also got some other do-it-yourself products if anybody's interested in doing those. One of the things we give out with every vehicle that we do is a guide that has a quick do and don't, whether they're going through a car wash or doing a hand wash. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. We're looking to get on the schedule. We usually stay booked out about 2 to 3 weeks. Have a great day.